like, yeah, mind if I use
I,
your
I, I
sweet
actually
tea?
got to I actually got to vape one time, and then I quit after that.
Yeah.
Well, his mom didn't want him vaping, that's why.
My mom didn't want me vaping at first, but I was only doing it for a second.
Yeah, there you go. 4 engines. Oh, wow.
So whenever I need to get the help I need, I can either walk to the police department or walk to the fire department.
Yeah.
But I know where the fire department is.
You have to be close.
There's no way he gonna try.
That's high.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Last car.
I'm gonna go somewhere else than this.
Well, then we gotta get you home.
I'm just gonna